Introducing BikeBeamer, the next generation bike POV display. It produces beautiful full-color images and animations right in your bike spokes. Capable of showing over 16.9 million colors in its 70 cm wide circular canvas, it's sure to look stunning with everything it displays. 256 high-power LEDs placed across both sides of its 4 blades, each with a luminous intensity of over 2200 millicandela, allow for unprecedented visibility everywhere. Once the sun starts to set, BikeBeamer starts to shine and aims to keep you safe. Based on the popular ESP2 development platform, it is easily customizable on the go via a simple-to-use and straightforward web interface. Access it from any modern device with a web browser and start using your own designs. No software installation needed. Taking customization even further, BikeBeamer is fully open source and designed to be hacked and extended. All the CAD and code is available, allowing anyone to experiment with and improve upon it, all to make it truly your own. Find out more at bikebeamer.com.